This store operates on a dropshipping model and sells various products like this one, which removes pet fur from carpets. Last month, it managed to generate over $190,000 from these products alone, all without spending a single dollar on advertisements. The method used was creating content on TikTok. The store owner has a TikTok account, placed the store link in the bio, and creates daily content about these products. This product is sold for approximately $30, while its actual cost is less than $5, which helped achieve a large profit margin and over 7,500 orders last month. Subscribe to the channel and like this video because I share winning products daily. I will leave a link to register on Shopify in the video description. Through this link you will get a free trial, and then your first 3 months on Shopify will cost $1 per month instead of paying the full plan price. Additionally, if you plan to run ads on TikTok, there is an excellent offer in the video description. If you spend $100 on ads, you will get $100 in free credit. After setting up your online store on Shopify, we move to the next step, which is the supplier. The supplier is Zendrop, and I will leave a link to install the app in the video description. Zendrop offers a free plan and provides you with thousands of winning products, auto-fulfillment, fast shipping, and professional support. Install the app on your store, then go to Apps in Shopify and select Zendrop. Start by typing the product name and searching for it. You will find many products and can choose the suitable one. After that, you will see all the details about the product, and below you will find the variants such as the available colors and sizes. You will also find the product cost, shipping cost, which varies by country, and the total cost. To add the product to your store, click on Add to My Products. Repeat the same steps if you want to add more products. Click on My Products and you will find the product there. Click on Review and Publish, and from here, edit everything on the product page before publishing it, such as product name, product description, variants, selling price. In this section, the selling price along with the shipping cost is displayed, so you adjust the selling price to show the net profit per piece. Also, choose the images you want to publish on the store. Then click on Publish to My Store and confirm. This will publish the product to the store. If you go to Shopify and click on Products, you will find the product listed there. Now, you need to complete designing the online store and connect payment gateways so that customers can pay for the product. Once customers start placing orders, you will receive them on Zendrop and you can ship them to customers. Initially, you will add funds equal to the order cost, and then ship the order to the customer. Zendrop's free plan allows you to fulfill up to 25 orders. If you want to fulfill an unlimited number of orders, you can subscribe to a paid plan. I will leave a video in the description of this video explaining how to design and build an online store on Shopify. As for marketing, you have two options: paid ads. Create a TikTok account, add the store link to your bio, and start creating daily content about the products. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment. Goodbye.